Also, Lara Yeretsian, high-profile criminal defense attorney. It all started when the California court said that there was a handful of jurors that had said they didn't believe in the death penalty on their questionnaire, a very extensive questionnaire, I might add, which you may have helped create that questionnaire. It's very extensive. And while many jurors were questioned about saying they didn't believe in the death penalty, there were some jurors, I think it was 13 in all, that were not individually voir dired, questioned on that issue, such as, you say you don't believe in it, but could you follow the law in the right circumstances? They were never really questioned. So that was the first problem, right there. Then it came up about the juror that said she had never been a crime victim, when in fact she had filed a TRO, restraining order, protective order, against her boyfriend's ex-girlfriend who was harassing her during the juror's pregnancy, Laura.
Correct. In fact, that juror, not just a juror, the ex-girlfriend of her boyfriend had done time, had also been convicted of a crime because of that. She served time. So this was very important. It was material, and it was something that should have been disclosed to the prosecution, to the defense, and in the courtroom for all to hear. But this juror obviously decided not to do that. And the only thing that's pretty obvious to me, at least, on its face, and it's evident, is that she wanted to get on that jury at any cost, including lying and withholding evidence, important information from the defense team and the prosecution in the court. And I'm glad we're where we are, because Scott Peterson never got a fair trial. He deserved an impartial jury. He deserved a fair trial, just like any other defendant. We have a criminal justice system that's based on these very important rights, constitutional rights, and regardless of who the person is and who the defendant is and what you believe and what your visceral reaction is, how much you hate this defendant, the one thing that every defendant is entitled to is a fair trial and an impartial jury. One thing that we all know Scott Peterson did not get, and hence we've got the overturning of the death penalty and potentially and hopefully the overturning of the conviction.